I'm Representative Matt Clayman, and this is Alaska Matters. Are you tired of COVID-19? Want to go back to eating at your favorite restaurant? Ready to finish up with hunker down? If your answer is yes, then the best thing we can do to defeat COVID-19 is extend the state's public health emergency declaration. Governor Dunleavy has asked the legislature to extend the public health emergency, but there's been some confusion about the state's COVID-19 declaration. Here's the rest of the story. First, the state emergency declaration has nothing to do with mask mandates, restaurant closures, and hunker down orders. In fact, Governor Dunleavy has never issued a mask mandate. The municipality of Anchorage issued the hunker down orders, and the Alaska Constitution gives local governments, like our municipality, the power to issue mask mandates and enact mandatory closures. Second, the state's emergency declaration is essential for our doctors, nurses, and care providers to address COVID-19. It's how we can test, treat, and vaccinate. Extending the state emergency declaration will allow cancer patients to receive life-saving treatment through telehealth. It's the foundation for our successful vaccination program that leads the nation in the percentage of people vaccinated. And the emergency declaration lets clinics set up temporary treatment sites with a full staff of doctors and nurses. There's support across Alaska for extending the emergency declaration. Republicans, Democrats, and independents, conservatives and progressives, businesses and families. Alaska Airlines and the travel industry support extending the state declaration so we can keep testing travelers as they come into our airports and keep Alaskans safe. The Alaska Chamber of Commerce supports extending the declaration so we can rebuild Alaska's economy. And Providence Hospital and Alaska Regional Hospital support extending the emergency declaration so our doctors and nurses can take care of Alaskans and Alaska can keep leading the nation in vaccine distribution and low COVID-19 death rates. Though the end is in sight, this pandemic is far from over. Extending the public health disaster declaration will help keep us healthy, get Alaska back to work, and finish up with hunker down.